World Valley. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you want to have a tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, it's in the description link below. And now, without wasting any time, let us start solving. Now I'm starting 3x3 Rubik's Cube solving. Okay, I need to make a daisy first. Alignment. Okay, I'm lucky I got the alignment. Okay, aligned and aligned. Done with the cross. Time to fill in the cross. Okay, one done. Another corner piece. Another corner piece. Another corner piece. First layer done. Second layer edge pairing. Okay, done. First edge pairing done. Second edge pairing. Seeing if there's any color piece. Okay. Done with the second edge pairing. Last two. And then last one. Then done, last pairing of the last layer. And then okay. Done. Now for the last and final step. Okay, got it early. Then done and done almost. Turning the corner pieces. And then the last and final move, and then done. I have solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, Deepika World Valley.